Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, again with me, Indah Komaria. I am a student majoring in chemistry at the State Islamic University Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. Here we learn about water pollution and WWTV directly on the material. The water we drink now is an inheritance from our ancestors, and we will pass it on to our children and grandchildren. According to people born in the 90s, water is a gift to be grateful for. However, at this time, the quality of water from generation to generation is decreasing because human awareness is also decreasing, so that wastewater treatment must be carried out. If left unchecked, will be a disaster. We as living beings must protect this heritage. What happened to the river now? Human greed makes trees cut down, cleaning rules are abandoned, caring attitudes towards river begin to disappear. This makes the river now a pile of garbage, waste, and the needs of disease. The trees that used to be along the bank of the river are starting to disappear as a result. Fools often enter people's homes. Residents are realized when there is a disaster, but when the disaster is gone, residents return to polluting the river by throwing garbage in the river. This is what is happening in the current era, where rivers are a place for piles of garbage and needs for disease. If this continues, of course, the people who lose are the community itself. Awareness of cleaning the river must begin to be reborn in every community. Besides, the action must start with oneself by not throwing garbage into the river. After that, tell other residents not to littering. Damage is also caused by wastewater, where the waste is generated from various kinds of water. A factory wastewater is contemporary problem as pollution. Wastewater is contemporary problem as population density increases. Every household living in urban areas will definitely need a wastewater disposal site. Most households dispose of wastewater is rivers, sewers are the bodies of water. Wastewater contains pollution compounds that can damage aquatic ecosystem. Wastewater, if not managed properly, can cause disturbance both the environment and to existing life. Waste is generated from the rest of the production process, both industrial and domestic or household. Part of these wastewater are in the form of feces, urine, bathroom waste, and also the rest of household kitchen activities. Waste is residual material produced from an activity and production process from various household scales such as the mining industry and other production products. Wastewater treatment plant. Industrial wastewater treatment is more complex when compared to domestic water treatment because the composition in it is heavier when discharged into the environment. Pumping air into water will change organic and inorganic components. Inorganic components can form oxides, while organic components can be decomposed by microbes. A well wastewater treatment plant refers to a set of structure, techniques, and equipment designed to process and manage waste so that it can be disposed of into the environment without any adverse impact. These wastes generally come from domestic household waste, and there is a factory operation, industry, and even agriculture. In order for the process to run properly according to applicable standard, a certified wastewater treatment operational responsible person or POPAL is needed. Benefits of Apple. PVTV has benefit for all components in the installation area, not only useful for humans building but also for other living things that live in the area. There are several benefits of PVTV that are important for you know. Number 1, managing waste, especially those containing hazardous chemical or toxin, so that when disposed of, they not pollute the surroundings. Number 2, managing industrial and domestic waste floods so that they can be reused. Number 3, protecting ecosystem and living beings that live in rivers or the drains. The step of wastewater treatment. Number 1, preliminary treatment. The way that is done at the early stage is to filter the wastewater so that the particle content can be separated. In general, wastewater will contain particles in the form of pieces of wood, plastic, sand, and other waste. The particle filtering aims so as not to damage the wastewater treatment plant equipment at a later stage. Number 2, primary treatment. The second step of the wastewater treatment plant is to remove solid particles present in the water using a physical process. The methods usually used at this stage are flotation and sedimentation. The result of this second stage is that solid particles will settle, while particles in the form of fat will float on the surface on the water called grease. Number 3, second treatment. The third stage is the introduction of microorganisms into the water which aim to remove organic material. Microorganisms have ability to destroy and decompose the remaining organic material. There are 3 methods used in the third stage, namely lagoon, system, fixed fan, and suspended film. Number 4, final treatment. In the fourth stage of wastewater treatment, wastewater is chlorinated or using ultraviolet light in order to eliminate organisms that can cause disease. Number 5, advanced treatment and the stage. Further treatment occurs until the composition of the wastewater is considered safe to be discharged into sewers or stream, for example, an aseptic to remove phosphorus or ammonia content from wastewater. That all I can say, more or less. Sorry. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.